Hello everyone, I am Shilpi and in today's lecture we will discuss exercise 5.3 which is based upon multiplication of rational numbers. So let us discuss some questions of the exercise. I am explaining one part each of all the questions, but you have to solve all the questions yourself in the fair notebook so that you can practice them. Okay, so first one is multiply. Simple, हमें इन दोनों रेशियो नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. That means -3/5 multiplied by 5/7. ये हमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है, राइट? अब here you can see that we can cancel out numerator and denominator. अगर numerator और denominator से कोई भी नंबर कैंसिल हो रहा है या सिंप्लीफाई हो रहा है, then we will simplify it. See how? 5, you can write it like -3 into 5 upon 5 into 7, right? न्यूमरेटर्स हमने साथ में मल्टीप्लाई कर दिए, डिनोमिनेटर्स हमने साथ में मल्टीप्लाई कर दिए. नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव रेशियो नंबर्स है तो ऑब्वियसली प्रोडक्ट हमारा कैसा होगा? नेगेटिव होगा, राइट? अब न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर से ये देखो 5 कैंसिल हो रहा है. 5 1 जा 5, 5 1 जा 5. तो क्या बचा हमारे पास? इट इज लेफ्ट -3/7. So -3/7 is the answer. Similarly in the second question यहाँ भी हमें सेम वही करना है. Find the product, multiply करना है दोनों रेशियो नंबर्स को. So it is -7 into 9 upon 5 into 2. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे हम चेक करते हैं कि कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है क्या? नहीं, कुछ भी कैंसिल नहीं हो रहा. So simply माइनस का साइन. 7 into 9 is 63 upon 5 into 2 is 10. So the answer is -63/10. सिंपल इसी तरह से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Then next question, evaluate the following. इसमें भी हमें सेम यही करना है. We have to multiply the rational numbers. So what we will do, first we will convert this mixed form into improper form. तो ये हो जाएगा -7/12 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय माइनस का साइन. इसको अगर हम चेंज करेंगे तो डिनोमिनेटर तो सेम रहता है, वो तो 7 ही रहेगा. और इम्प्रॉपर फॉर्म में कैसे चेंज करते हैं हम? 7 2 जा 14, 14 प्लस 6 20. सो दिस इज -20/7. ठीक है. नाउ माइनस इंटू माइनस, तो हमें पता है कि दो नेगेटिव नंबर्स हैं, दो नेगेटिव रेशियो नंबर्स हैं, सेम साइन है. When we will multiply them, the product will be positive. तो माइनस का साइन यहाँ से चला जाएगा. And then it is 7 into 20 upon 12 into 7. Now you can see here 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20. So what is left? 5/3. Clear? So this is the answer. Or you can write it in mixed form also. If you want to write your answer in mixed form, then it is 1/2/3. So both can be written as answer. Clear? Then find the reciprocal. So अगर हमें इसका reciprocal निकालना है, then first you have to solve. You have to find the product. इसको पहले solve करेंगे तभी इसका reciprocal you can write, है ना? So first we will find the product. It is 2 into 3 upon 5 into 7. 2 into 3 it is 6/35. अब 6/35 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा? 35/6. Obviously we will exchange the numerator and denominators, right? So therefore reciprocal is 35/6. This is the answer. Now let us see question number 5. Here we have to verify x into y plus z is equals to x into y plus x into z. And the values of x, y and z are given, right? So what we will do, we will put the values of x, y and z in both LHS and RHS and we will solve them separately. Let us solve LHS first. LHS is x into y plus z. So let us put the values. x की वैल्यू हमें क्या दे रखी है? -3/2 multiplied by bracket y की वैल्यू क्या है 4/3 प्लस z दैट इज -1, तो -1. अब प्लस माइनस आपको पता है कितना हो जाएगा माइनस, सो यू कैन राइट हियर -1. अब 1 के नीचे कोई डिनोमिनेटर नहीं है, दैट मीन्स द डिनोमिनेटर इज 1 itself. Okay, so first you have to solve the bracket. It is -3/2 multiplied by, to solve this bracket you have to take the LCM of denominators. LCM of 3 and 1 is 3, so it is 3, 4 minus 3. कितना आ जाएगा ये -3/2 multiplied by 1/3. 3 and 3 cancelled, so it is -1/2. The value of LHS is -1/2. Now let us solve the RHS, that is right hand side. X into y plus x into z. Let us put the values. X की वैल्यू हमारे पास क्या है -3/2 multiplied by y की वैल्यू it is 4/3 plus again x की वैल्यू to -3/2 multiplied by z की वैल्यू -1. अब इसे सॉल्व करते हैं. 3 1 3, 3 1 3, ये कैंसिल. 2 1 2, 2 2 4. तो इधर ब्रैकेट में हमारे पास क्या बचा -2 प्लस माइनस इंटू माइनस कितना हो गया पॉजिटिव, और मल्टीप्लाई करके वी गेट 3/2. नाउ -2 कैन बी रिटन एज -2/1. डिनोमिनेटर कुछ नहीं है तो वी कैन राइट 1 इन द डिनोमिनेटर. To solve this, again we have to take the LCM of denominators. LCM is 2. So what will come here? -4 plus 3, that is -1/2. Now you can see that LHS equals to -1/2 and RHS is also equals to -1/2. यानी कि LHS और RHS दोनों इक्वल आ रहे हैं, then it is verified. Now question 6, you have to simplify this. So again first we will solve the bracket. It is -5/3 multiplied by, in bracket it is -1/2 and plus minus is -3/5. So again to solve the bracket, first we will take the LCM of the denominators, which is 10. So it is equals to -5/3 multiplied by 10 is the LCM. 2 5s are 10, 1 5s are 5. So it is -5 minus 6. It is equals to -5/3 into -11/10. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. It is equals to minus and minus will become plus. So it is 1 into 11/3 into 2, that is 11/6. This is the answer. Then question 7. Here again first we will solve the bracket. In the first bracket it is 20/8 multiplied, this is -24/15 minus, in this bracket we have 8 multiplied by 1/-2. In standard form it can be written as -1/2. Fine. Now this is 20 into -24/8 into 15 minus, this is 2 4s are 8, so this will be -4. इस ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व कर लिया. अब यहाँ 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 1 are 5, 5 4 are 20. 4 into -1 कितना आ गया? -4 -4. So it is -4, minus and minus will become +4. So -4 plus 4 is 0. So the answer is 0. Clear? Then let's move on to the next question. Question number 9. Here the cost of this much meter of cloth you have to find at rupees this much per meter. यानी कि ये जो हमें कॉस्ट दे रखी है ये 1 मीटर क्लॉथ की दे रखी है and you have to find the cost for this many meters of cloth. So cost of 1 meter cloth is equals to rupees 42 into 2 upon 3. ये 1 मीटर की हो गई. तो cost of 5 whole 3 by 4 meter of cloth is equals to, तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे दोनों को. Let us multiply. It is 5 whole 3 by 4 multiplied by 42 whole 2 by 3. First we will convert it into improper fractions. So improper fractions में जब हम convert करेंगे it is 23 upon 4 multiplied by ये हो गया 3 128 upon 3. कुछ सिंप्लीफाई हो रहा है? हो रहा है. 4 1 are 4, 4 3 are 12, 4 2 are 8. तो ये हमारे पास बचा 23 multiplied by 32 upon 3. इतना आ गया. और सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं इसे थोड़ा. 23 into 32 this will be 736 upon 3. अब इसको अगर हम मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में लिखें देन वी हैव डिनोमिनेटर विल बी 3 and it is 3 2s are 3 4s are 3 5s are 245 whole 1 by 3. ये हमारा मिक्स्ड फॉर्म में वैल्यू आ गई. So what will be the ending statement? Therefore cost of 5 whole 3 by 4 meter of cloth is rupees, don't forget to write the unit, it is rupees 245 whole 1 by 3. This is the answer. Clear? Okay, then let's come to the last question. You have to find the area of a rectangular park and length and breadth of the park is given. So simply you have to apply the formula. First of all, length L, it is equals to 13 whole 1 by 2 meter. In improper form, कितनी वैल्यू आ जाएगी इसकी? डिनोमिनेटर will be 2 and this is 27 upon 2 meter, right? Similarly, breadth B, it is equals to 11 whole 2 by 3 meter. तो इसको convert कर लो. 11 3s are 33, 33 and 2 it is 35 upon 3 meter. Now you can simply apply the formula. Area is equals to length into breadth. That means 27 upon 2 multiplied by 35 upon 3. Multiply करेंगे इसको. This is 27 into 35 upon 2 into 3. Now you can observe कुछ cancel हो रहा है. 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. Multiply करेंगे इसको. 315 upon 2. Converting it into mixed fraction. 157 whole 1 by 2. ये हमारी वैल्यू आ रही है इसकी. तो what will be the ending statement? Therefore required area is, कितना एरिया आया हमारा? 157 whole 1 by 2 and what will be the unit? Meter square. This will be the answer. So I hope the questions are clear to you which we have discussed in today's lecture. Now you can try the remaining questions yourself in the fair notebook. So take care. Goodbye.